You work hard. We work hard. We have the knowledge to get the job done. From standard welding to aluminum. Professionally sprayed box liners. All done in-house. A massive inventory of quality parts and accessories. Top-notch installation and maintenance. Right down to trailer refrigeration repair. Trailer rentals to keep you on the move. Custom orders. With our team and equipment, no job is too big. Trailer sales, we've got you covered. For your horses, the job, or personal use, we're ready when you are. Paul's Trailers and Truck Outfitting.